I will show you a super easy way to make your story video using a smartphone. I found a great video editing app called WeVideo. You can find the WeVideo app on both available on Android and iOS. You can access the WeVideo app link directly by heading to our project page in this class. After download the WeVideo app on your smartphone, open the app. It will ask you to allow access to your photos and videos. Then select the photo or videos as many as you want on your story video project. If you don't have any images to add, you can download royalty-free videos such as WeVideo or shoot something using your smartphone. After selected photo or video, let's record your story. Click on Voice over Microphone button to start recording your story. If the video was too short, add more photo and video, or change the duration of the photo. If it's too long, you can trim your video by click on the video footage, then trim it the length you want. In summer 2000, my first business called Tesage was started. Tesage offered simple modern design, lightweight fabric process, and sold online. Tesage was loved by many people, such as vegan and minimalist. Although I was watching every penny to keep up Tesage business, when the Great Recession hit in 2008, Tesage biz fall into financial crisis. Company bills were delayed, great staffs were leaving. What if people don't buy Tesage anymore? What if this business fail? What if my bank account have no money left? They are full of fear in my mind. While I was searching solution, I found this quote. Even if the company goes bankrupt tomorrow, you should not sick at heart. This quote reminded me that a positive mindset is the key to overcome fear. Same time, I saw is that glass half empty or half full theory. I realized that my mindset was the glass half empty, while successful people see the glass half full. In November 2015, I decided to build a motivational story video community platform that everyone can share a life story video. That called Snow Sugar Video. 7 months later, I decided to focus on Snow Sugar Video business and closed Tesage business for good. Now I am full of passion to build, tell your story, inspire the world story video community. My name is Yukiko Sato. I am now positive thinker to see the glass half full. I want you to make your story video to share with me at this class project. If you want to remove WeVideo watermark, you can purchase the app for $2.99. I like this video editing app. What do you think? Now you made your story video. Don't you think it was super easy to make a story video? Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for taking easy DIY story video using your smartphone today. If you want to know how to shoot videos that match your story, please take my class of Who Inspires You story video.